Hello, my name is Chano, and today I'll be presenting about my contributions towards our augmented reality final project. So firstly, I helped my group leader Joseph with the configuration of the Vuforia settings. So our goal is to create a bottle when a player taps on the screen and a surface is detected. Since Vuforia is quite new to us, we couldn't configure the settings and its behavior quite properly. So what happens is that although as shown in here, actually we meant to create a portal in front of us. What happened is that when we tap, the portal appears behind. We try to figure out with the anchor behavior, but sadly we couldn't uh, fix it to work properly. But so that is the main problem with the Vuforia settings. For my individual contribution, I created these lecterns, which is right here. So my friend Gabriel helped with the modeling of the lectern, and I implemented the AR features and the UI panel that appears on top of it. So how does this UI work? I'll demonstrate it in the video first. So as we can see here, the UI is not appearing yet. We can see the lecterns, and as we walk close to it, here the UI appears. So as we walk far away from it, it disappears again. Sorry. So here is the canvas to place the UI and the panel to place the text inside it. I made a scroll view, vertical scroll view. So when I when I was trying to make this work, the main problem I faced was that although the canvas wasn't activating, which means although the canvas was not visible at first, the text was still appearing. And I took quite a time figuring out, and I researched through online. I watched tutorials, and finally I learned about the rect mask. So the rect mask basically makes the object see-through. So it is like making it invisible. So that was the one solution I figured out online through research. Right, so I will demonstrate it how it works, how my panel works. Here you can see. Right, so this is about CyberSec. As you can see, I can scroll it down. Yeah, as you can see here, I can scroll it down. And when I walk away, it will disappear again. I made 4 lectures for each of other diplomas in the IIT, except the IGD. So during when this video was taken, I just put a placeholder for the task. This is the code for the lectern. Here I created a game object to capture the UI, and the camera to the transform of the camera here. So here uh, I calculated the distance between the player and the AR camera. So if the distance is like less than the activation distance, which is defined here, the UI will appear. So I set the UI active. So else means if the distance is greater than the activation distance, the UI will disappear. Our team, I have to say that our team is quite good on teamwork because till the day before this submission, our app wasn't working properly. Uh, we couldn't run an application on our phones. The camera wasn't working. Such things like that. We faced many issues. So on our final day before the submission, we spent a whole day at school uh, and make this walk in just one day. I have to say it. But the setup was completed before, but the other things, the models, the UIs, the AR features, we could make them work in just one day. Joseph was quite good at managing the team members, and we were also good at completing our individual parts. I gained quite a lot of experiences, and I understand and I learned new quite new things about AR, which is quite new to us since it is only taught in this semester. So I enjoyed this project a lot. Thank you.